And we're off again. Barcelona carrying a one-goal lead. Mbappe for Messi. Sonkrasin, Palmer. Look at the space here. There they go, hunting in packs. Now it's Neymar. And it's Neymar. Had a shot! That was a matter of inches. Now it's Neymar. Mendieta. Palmer. And the shot! He's got a goal! A two-goal lead and they're firmly in control.
Barcelona clearly executed that with considerable confidence. It only took seconds to score once the ball was recovered.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 62 minutes is number 10, Neymar! The attendance for this
so that's
match was
2 now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Out to the right. Mendieta. And it's... And the shot! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Corner number 3 coming up. That's a decent clearance. Shapes to shoot! So their 4th corner of the game. Milan can counter promptly here. That's been drilled in. Now it's Neymar. Got a shot away! He's done very well to get to that.
Neymar sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
And the counter is on. Neymar. Over to the left. Barcelona can consider themselves just about safe now. Move forward and quickly so. Now the finish! And it's there! And they are cruising away.
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. All very neat and tidy.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 85 minutes is
Milan choosing to make the first change.
Substitution for
3-0
Milan.
and things are starting to look awfully cosy.
Number 34.
Palmer gets away from his opponent. Oh, well played, well played. Neymar, great hit! He has done it! There is a man right at the top of his game, and he just knows it!
Yeah, I'd call that transition with bite. They won it back and bit hard.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager scream.
So that's it, it is all